So today we are going to talk about some of the parts that are inside of a seed. Now we know the seed comes from a flowering plant and is able to regrow a new plant. But learning the vocabulary about what is really going on helps the children really take that time to increase their vocabulary in many ways. So here we have our seed, and the seed is that whole thing. And if you look carefully at the seed, we can see that there is a part that's right on the outside. It's kind of like an outside shell. And that part can come off, and it's called the testa. And it's a little tricky to get it off when it's still a dry seed, but when it is a wet seed, that's the very first part that comes off of the seed in order to help the seed grow. Within the seed, there are lots of other parts as well, and we continue to learn more about the parts of the seed. And then we are able to plant some seeds, and as we see our seeds grow, we can increase our vocabulary by actually adding the scientific words, the testa, the cotyledon, the radicle, etc. And we might start that off and then set our plants to grow in the window to observe them very carefully in a scientific manner. Later, we would go on to learning about types of seeds, and then building onto that, the roots, the stems, the plants, and different items like that. So it really just depends on where we're going with our plant study, but we can continue to add that vocabulary and increase that rich vocabulary for the children. And that's a huge part of what we do here in our classroom. For follow-up work, the children not only would be able to observe their seed in person growing, etc., they're also able to continue their vocabulary and their knowledge. And some kids are just working on their words, and these are really big words, so they might be working on just a few of the words, the cotyledon, the seed, the testa, etc., and they would start to match the words with the correct pictures, and then they'd be able to check them in a word reading level of that work. The more advanced students are working on the sentence version of that vocabulary. So now they're really getting a deeper understanding of what each part does. And so they might read, the testa is the part of the seed, it's the hard outer covering of the seed, and then they try to match that up. And they might not have the labels there to begin with, and they might actually go for matching the definitions versus the words.